Okay, we talked about the attic door that we've installed. We've already installed the door. I want you to see what the door looks like in place. We're going to go upstairs and then see what we're going to try to resolve, the issues that we're going to try to resolve. There's two different topics that we're going to talk about once we get up in the attic. One are the walls themselves and the insulation being exposed and the airflow penetration through there and how we're going to resolve that issue. And then a big problem in this particular home is the I-beam openings that allow airflow underneath the floor of the second floor and above the ceiling of the first floor, as if neither of those are insulated, because they're not. So we're going to address how we're going to fix that as well, and that'll make heating and cooling this house a lot easier to do. If you'll join me in the attic. Now that we're in the attic, the things that I want to talk to you about are insulation. Recent technology has proven over the last 5 or 6 years that walls that extend up into attics are just like exterior walls. They need to have air barriers to stop the airflow from penetrating insulation and heating up the sheetrock on the inside of the home. This we call a hot wall, just like it would be a wall to the outside. However, typically outside exterior walls have sheathing on the backside to protect them. Walls years ago built up into the attics did not have that protection. As you can see by looking at the insulation, it's coming off, falling away, leaves an opening for the air to penetrate into the sheetrock. When that happens, the sheetrock heats up when it's hot in the attic or cools off when it's cold in the attic. In addition to that, she has a major problem down here where the hole is open under the I-beams that supports the second floor. That, without any insulation in those areas, that is a hot ceiling in the summertime and a cold ceiling in the wintertime, as well as the floor underneath. We're going to take the product that we've got back here, it's the hot wall wrap, and we're going to cover that and completely create an airtight barrier so that air does not penetrate to stop the airflow. And it's double layer full with a small portion of insulation in between. It's called a hot wall wrap, and it will be very effective in stopping the airflow.